Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Shiba Inu. What's the latest price? What's the latest price changes in the Shiba? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos about Shiba Inu. The currently live price of the Shiba Inu in the market is 0.00008 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Shiba Inu. And other side, if we talk about the changes in the Shiba Inu, so now you can see here, guys, that the last 1 hour changes of the Shiba Inu is positive 0.02%. 0.02% changes is positive. And if we talk about the changes in the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour, the last 1 week changes of the Shiba Inu is completely negative. The price changes is going wrong. Price changes is negative. The price changes is going wrong, guys. Anyways, let me show you price chart and try to do technical analysis. Oh my god, you can see here, guys, negative 3% the price decrease in the last 3 days. Only the price decrease in the last 3 days, not a pump occur in the Shiba Inu. So what's the reason behind that? And a lot of people asking question that when will there the possibilities that the price will pump. So guys, possibilities that it's the last of August, the price will increase. Guys, hold. You know what, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token. Why? Because I'm sure about the Shiba Inu future that it's the last of 2021, the price will be about to $1 USD, about to 50 cent, about to 90 cent. I'm sure. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Shiba Inu? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.